Welcome to another issue of uh, Bhaipetra VSC podcast. Uh, as you know, we are inviting internship opportunities uh, for uh, for the students, faculties, scholars who are interested to work in innovative field of designs and engineering, uh, where the main objective is to provide a sustainable world for our future generation. So this is the third internship opportunity of this month, or not of this month. It is the uh, of this of a 30-day period that we are uh, planning. So at first, the first internship we have announced in the month of December. Then we announced the second internship at the last week of December. Now, in this week, we are announcing the third internship. Now, this internship is also available in both online and offline mode, but we will prefer that you attain the offline mode because that way your focus will be only on the internship, not any other objectives, and you can easily complete the task within 1 or 2 months and go back to your home place or host institute. This internship, the main objective of this internship is underwater image processing with the help of multi-criteria decision making, that is MCTM, and artificial intelligence. Now, this concept of underwater image processing is, as you can, understand that it is all about underwater. Underwater, under the water level, or under the water surface of any water body like sea, lake, river, there is a bottom. Okay, there is a bed, what we say. So when we try to capture that bed below the water and try to process that image of the bed to retrieve the information that can be retrieved from that image, then it is known as underwater image processing. Now note that by bed I mean by bed I mean, of course, river bed is there, ocean bed is there, lake bed is there, but the image is taken at the time when the water is available upon the bed. It is not a dry bed. When the water is available and it is available on the bed, and at that moment when you capture an image and you process the image and you try to retrieve the information stored in that image, that is what is known as underwater image processing. Now you will say, what is the use of this underwater image processing, or what is the specialty of this underwater image processing? The main use of underwater image processing is in defense or in various marine related surveys. Okay, so take the example of submarines. Submarine is always underwater, right? And many times what it happen is they try to monitor the ocean bed and then they try to decide their path, which path they will follow. That is decided after the bed situation is captured by the submarine. Okay, and by submarine, I'm not saying that submarines those are used in defense only. That submarine can be used for scientific purposes. That submarine can be used for film shoots. And nowadays there is underwater drones also. So these drones can also be utilized to capture the images of the bed that is still underwater. Because once that water is evaporate out, or if the water is absent, then it is normal image processing. Okay, but when water is above the bed and you want to capture the bed at that moment, then it is interesting to uh, process that image. So generally, what happens is noises are there in those images, because although we use waterproof cameras to capture the image or waterproof sensors to capture those images, but the problem is that due to turbulence in the water, both in case of ocean or in case of a river or lake, the images are not clear. And also due to the turbidity of the water, due to the suspended solids in the water, or sudden appearance of any what I say any underwater creatures, that means fish or crocodiles or sharks. So those are some disturbances that can impact the quality of the image. And there is another issue is that when we capture the image and try to retrieve the information from the image processing, by processing the image, as there are a lot of information stored in that image, it takes a lot of time to process a single image. And that is why what happened is most of the study is targeted to reduce this processing time. Now there are multiple uses of AI to reduce this processing time of the image processing. But this is the first time when we are using multi-criteria decision making and also artificial intelligence in case of underwater image processing. The goal is to reduce the processing time. And after we can process the image very quickly, then the application is that we can, based on the information retrieved from the image, we can feed programs to the underwater vehicle to automatically track its pathway, to automatically track its pathway with respect to the objective for which the underwater vehicle is placed under water. Okay, so the thing is that first our job will be to process the image quickly. Now the point is that whenever you are trying to process an image quickly, first and foremost is their quality will be compromised. Okay, so we must be very careful about that also. So how to process underwater image with the help of this MCDM and artificial intelligence? So there can be many way we can do it, but it will, of course, will follow the pixel based method, whereby we will retrieve the pixel or DN value of each pixel of the captured image, and then we'll use that value to retrieve informations. Okay, so there can be a supervised classification with the help of this artificial intelligence, or unsupervised classification with the help of artificial intelligence, or mainly in this case we'll use machine learning. And when AI is used for classification, it can be referred as machine learning. So we can use that approach also. So this approach is also not finalized. As you see, this project is in a very nascent or initial stage. So if you join it now, prospect is huge. That is what I want to say. If you join now, there are lots of unsaturation available. But if you join it later, then like the other fields of study, saturation may take place and you have to compete. But when a research field is unsaturated, uncontested, then if you come into that field, you always remember that it is very, at that time, competition is very less and you can easily prosper on that field of study. But yes, when a new field you are exploring, uh, getting reviewers or getting examiners in that field only is very tough. So that is also a constraint of new doing research in completely new field. So both way there is a catch, but we have to follow the trade-off. We have to follow the optimal path. And if you join this internship, I am ready to help those students or anyone who joined this internship, and by which I will also learn a lot of things because I am also very new to this concept. I am still trying to explore uh, the pros and cons of this new field of study. So uh, let us see what happens, how we can prosper. But in a summary, I can say that our objective is first objective is to capture the image, maintaining the quality, capture the image and process the same with a very short span of time. And third one is how how to use the information retrieved from the processing of images that is captured underwater. For whenever I'm saying here image, it means underwater image. Okay. So, and in for this, we are planning to utilize MCDM and AI. MCDM means multi-criteria decision making method, and AI means artificial intelligence. If you are new to it, I will share the videos of both. By viewing that video, you can understood what is MCDM and what is AI. Okay, so the plan of the internship is after joining this internship program, you have to learn about image processing. You have to learn about MCDM techniques. You have to learn about artificial intelligence. And then what we'll do is, then if you are interested to devise new methods of image processing, maintaining the quality of the image. That means maintaining the all the features that is present in that image. You are processing the image. That is what you say as qualitative image processing. So if you want to do that, then we have to think about how we can use MCDM and AI to do that. Okay. If you are into reducing the time of processing, then also we have to devise how to apply MCDM and AI. And if you are, what I would say, if you are trying to find a way to use the information of the study for practical uses like defense, scientific underwater scientific studies, film shoots, drones, underwater drone activities like this. Then also you will we can devise the pathway for that with the help of the same MCDM and AI techniques. Okay, so there are three pronged approach. You can achieve three objective by going to the three different direction. So you have to choose only one. You cannot go to all direction or to more than one direction. You have to choose the one direction only. That way you will be more focused and you can expect success within 2 months of studies. So yes, if you are interested in underwater image processing, if you're interested in marine related research, if you're interested in totally new and innovative study, then I will appeal to you, join this program. And this program is open now if you are trying to do it online. But if you want to do it offline, then you have to wait until the summer vacation. That is the you can say 15th May 2025, and from 15th May to 15th July you can do this project here in National Institute of Technology, Agartala, situated in the state of Tripura, Northeast India. It is well connected from all the cities of India. You can come from Kolkata, you can come from Delhi, you can come from Mumbai, because many students are there from those areas. You can come from Chennai also. A large contingent of South Indian students also study here in their BTech programs. So you are all welcome. However, if you want to do the study online in your own lab, then also it is welcome. But for that, I can only assist through online. I cannot go to your lab. So I can assist you online only by providing videos, providing study materials, and all this thing. But if you come here, then we can sit together and try to execute the project in a more optimal manner. Okay, so with this, I am closing, and kindly subscribe to Boipatra VSC to get more such internship opportunities, and also find tutorial videos which explain various methods of MCDM like HP, NP, WSM, WPM, Electre, Prometheus, Vicor, etc., or different AI methods, GMDH, PNN, etc., and also your statistical methods. Yes, image processing methods will be introduced soon. We are planning to introduce tutorials on image processing very soon. So if you like data science, if you like AI, if you like informatics, then you are welcome to become a subscriber of this newsletter. Okay, and here we target to solve different problems of water resources, be it water resource management, be it water power, be it hydraulics, but with the help of those tools, data science tools and informatics. And as the application of informatics or data science concepts are valuable for all disciplines of study. So any discipline, students from any discipline can join our newsletter. Okay, so with this, thank you for your patient hearing, and hope to see you in my institute very soon. Thank you.